Where you going?
Right.
Where you going?
Where am I going?
He wants to go home. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fucking belly. Where the fuck you going? Fucking mental. You're in a big dip, Pete. Them wheels getting stuck in the ruts. Grass is grown on it. You'll have to just go full chat and go for it. Hope it skips over the bumps. Let's have a look. Rudder. Go right.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Them wheels, one of them is sticking in and it's spinning. Oh, aborted it. Where are we going? Them fucking wheels. Go.
Give her full throttle, she dies. She can't give her full throttle.
We'll do it gradually. Gradually, don't go straight to full chat, just build up. Do you want me to hold the tail while you give it full chat? Yeah, you had a nice smooth run then, you could have gone then.
Oh, fuck.
Not very good that, was it?